Hello friends, welcome to AM channel. In this video, I will show you how you can update your PHP version to your specific website or for your all the websites in your cPanel account. For that, search here for PHP and here you will get multi PHP manager. In software section you have multi PHP manager option. We have to click on that option. But make sure doing any update to your website, I recommend to keep a backup of your current running website. It may be in your cPanel home folder as well or at your local system. So after entering in multi PHP manager, here you can see these are all my websites currently, and currently some are working and some are not. Here these and these websites are not in working state. So if I want to change the PHP version of my this website demo.amchannel.in, so for that I have to select the website and select the PHP version that I want to update for this website. So I want to revert the PHP version to 7.2 for this website. So I have selected this. Make sure you select the correct website and select the PHP version that you want to select for that website and click on apply button. After applying this PHP version, make sure you check your website is working fine, all the pages are okay and all the features are running. So that will be not affect your website. If anything goes wrong, you can again revert your PHP version to back again whatever it is at earlier step. So it will again work as it is. Why PHP version is we have to update is because sometimes there are some vulnerabilities in older PHP versions that are being updated or removed in the updated PHP versions. So that is the main reason we recommend, or I recommend, to update PHP version to latest PHP. Here is one more feature that you may need sometime. That is multi PHP IANA editor. If you are not able to upload a file size more than any specific like we can say 50 MB or 100 MB, then there may be a default size that is mentioned by cPanel. You can change that to almost whatever you want to upload the largest file, zip file, to your cPanel. That you can do from this option, multi PHP IANA editor. What you have to do here is select the domain that you want to upload the file in. Suppose this is my directory or domain that I want to upload file in. Now what we have to do is you can change the file size from here, that you want to maximum upload file size is your, as your consider your maximum file size is 350, so I have made it to 400 MB. And one more thing is we have to change here is, I think, this post max file size, as there here is the setting also affects file upload. This setting also affects file upload. To upload large files, this value must be larger than upload max file size. What we have did is 400 MB. So we can make it whatever we want, and something larger than the upload max file size. Update this to settings here, and just we have to click on apply, and you can now able to upload your max file size, upload almost up to 400 MB to your cPanel account through directly web access, I can say. And if you are trying to upload it through FTP, then there is no restriction for this. That's it in this video. Thank you, and make sure to like and subscribe AM channel. Thank you again.